Do you think a person living in a tier 3 city in India has a better life than a poor person in New Zealand? I don't think so. I think it's really important to solve like fundamental problems which India is not addressing. आपका सड़क में
Hmm.
खड्डा है, खड्डे में बाइक गिर गई, बाइक से गिर गए और चोट लग गई. ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें बॉदर करती हैं when you are doing like really smart stuff. They were like New York is nothing in front of Shanghai at this point.
Right?
Like,
Like जैसे आपने बताया कि country specific है ये,
mm,
and you see the countries which are hustling like right now. I can see like US is always, US was the country which like started this hustle culture, and I see Indians in general, like they have this hustle, and you see the like growth rate of these countries, right? मतलब it like if you see the larger picture, so and Europe, like I haven't seen any like, probably there is some innovation, but I haven't seen any like it's like flatlining is stock, right? Like the GDP rate is very flat. It is
same
evident now. Hmm.
same with Canada as well. But I think uh, yeah, I mean GDP growth तो सबको चाहिए eventually, but the question is, are they even prioritizing it? I feel they are
Hmm.
tracking different metrics and they are probably doing good on them. Uh,
Yeah.
um, yeah, like happiness index and human
Hmm.
rights index and all of those things. Yeah, I don't know. It's a huge question. Is GDP everything? I mean, you have to grow eventually, but um, yeah, I don't have any. I haven't thought about that question actually much. It's
Yeah, it's a good
like New Zealand, right? Um,
hmm.
do you like India is probably growing faster than New Zealand, but do you think a person living in a tier 3 city in India has a better life than a poor person in New Zealand? I don't think so.
Hmm. No. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
true.
probably GDP growth is not everything. Uh, I think it's really important to solve like fundamental problems which India is not addressing. Uh, like fundamental problems by that I mean like roads, pollution,
Hmm.
education system. Um, if you go to YouTube, right, and so
Hmm.
US में क्या होता है, you have like very the highway system is quite simple. You have
Hmm.
multiple highways that go from east to west and west to east, and multiple that go from north south south north, and they form
Hmm.
like a grid. So as long as you know which direction you are going in, you'll figure out. मैं अगर north जा रहा हूँ, जैसे मेरे को
Hmm.
कोई सिटी में जाना है जो मुझे पता है ऊपर है, so as long as I'm
Hmm.
driving north, I know I'll eventually reach there.
Hmm.
ऐसा.
Oh.
So if you go to YouTube and type
Hmm.
1960s I-5 ऐसा. So I-5 is name of one of the highways.
Hmm.
And look at that video and look at how that highway was in 1960s. I don't think
Hmm.
India still has a highway like that in 2025.
Hmm.
So these are all fundamental problems, right? Like say about 2 decades back or even a decade back, we used to compete with China, right? We
Hmm.
used to say we are in race with China and their GDP is growing much faster, but our growth rate will eventually get there and we beat them. But now
Hmm.
nobody's doing that competition because people are, it's easy, right? People are witnessing how
Hmm.
they have clearly won. Like मेरे कुछ colleagues हैं who went to Shanghai for a work trip
Hmm.
and they were so impressed by Shanghai. They were like, New York is nothing in front of Shanghai at this point. It's
Really?
so far ahead. I think India has immense potential, so much human resource talent and इतना टैलेंट है मतलब बे एरिया आ जाओ यार देख लो वहाँ पे आधे से ज़्यादा
Hmm.
लोग तो इंडियन ही हैं and
Right.
and most of them, right, I'm pretty sure most of them at some point while they were in the US have said that यार एक दिन इंडिया जाना है या 5 साल बाद इंडिया जाएंगे, but nobody goes back because you get so used to like clean air, wide roads,
Hmm.
no littering and all of those things, and then आपको एक growth channel भी दिखता है कि there is unlimited upside to my career and
Oh.
all of those things. Uh, Yeah. So the point is basically, I think India should like really start focusing on fundamental infrastructure, which and the rate of progress for that is quite slow currently. I
Hmm.
feel.
Yeah. Yeah, I think there has been like in at least in last 10 years, there has been like good growth. So
Yeah.
the kind of highway you're talking about, like it's if you see the Mumbai Delhi expressway and there is new expressways coming around, they're really good. Like they're
Mm.
really good. Uh,
No,
but
I'm just saying कि यार 1-2 तो ठीक है ना, but तुम्हारे and we are looking
yeah,
at only metros, which are like 5 cities in India.
5, 6. That's true.
Yeah, you have to connect entire India, right? And मुझे ऐसा लगता है इतने भी smart लोग हैं ना,
Hmm.
they get served by these small things and then they leave the country. Like smart लोगों को ना, you need to give them a comfortable space where they are not bothered
Hmm.
by these small. Uh, like most of your IITians who go abroad for PhDs and become professors here and get so many prizes, it's uh, yeah, they don't want to be bothered, right? आपका सड़क में
Hmm.
खड्डा है, खड्डे में बाइक गिर गई, बाइक से गिर गए और चोट लग गई। अ,
Yeah.
ये छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें बॉदर करती हैं व्हेन यू आर डूइंग लाइक रियली smart stuff like building rockets and writing, doing some research and so on.
I think that growth rate, right? Like you're right. Uh, it has been slow, and especially when China started doubling down on their infra and economy. Uh, I think we were just left behind because of our policies or
Yeah.
a lot of like factors,
Mm.
and they were very decisive about like what they want and how they want it, and they really executed it well.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, you should have a chart of the GDP growth. It's like a hockey stick, like it goes like this, and there's a sharp uptick.
yeah,
And if you look at India, it's a steady incline, but
that's fine.
uptick is very different from an incline. Like it's
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, and it does need to work in a lot of fundamental things, as you said, like create a safe space, like a nurturing space for smart people, like where they can just focus on creativity. And they're up and coming. I mean, I'm seeing that now. Like living here, there is a entrepreneurship cell just like what 1-2 kilometers away in Goa, right? And where people are like working on really cool stuff. Uh, so even in like tier, I don't know Goa, you call it like a tier 2 city. It's not a metro city. You see people and the roads here, especially in Goa, are so good. Like even the small village roads are like like really really crisp, especially here. So I think
yeah.
this thing needs to be replicated everywhere. I feel like paying taxes, man. Like if I live here, no, I feel like I should pay tax, contribute, because I see the growth. I see the roads, the quality of the roads are getting better. But this needs to be replicated around. Yeah.
Yeah, I see that difference in South and North India a lot. Like South में cleanliness
Hmm.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा है and
Yeah.
like लोग सफाई ज़्यादा रखते हैं.
Call it
Yeah.
probably cultural. I mean, like we have a diverse culture, so yeah, that I have noticed as well.